those.
Come on, Jamie, quit being fat.
Slap box. The headphones are hanging, dude.
I know.
Grandpa Donovan versus nerdy Jamie. Donovan looks like a grandpa. Jamie, you're getting your ass kicked by a grandpa.
I got this.
Fuck.
You don't even have my arms in your way, bro. What the?
Dude, the back of your leg is like hairless.
Oh, you like your foot's in my nuts. Alright.
You got me in a choke. My foot stuck. We fell off the van.
No, I rolled you off. I was trying to get you to let go.
Oh, did you get that on tape?